What's up everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright, on today's dance tutorial, I'll teach you the choreography that I made. The title is what is this? I forgot the title. Wait. Title is I Love This Shit by Alsina. Okay? Let's go. Oops, sorry. I was talking, I don't have this. Let's count again, everybody, from the beginning. Can you see? Can you see? Yeah, here we go. From the top. So it goes like this. Clean time, so 5, 6, 7. And you go 1, 2, 2 counts. 1, 2, front, 3, 4, then move back, and 5, 6, shoulder back, 7, and 8. Okay, one more time. 5, 6, 7, and go 1, 2, 3, 4, and the 5, 6, shoulder, and 8. Continue. You're gonna go and 1, point to the front, 2. Front 5, 3, 4. Copy? One more time. So from here, 7, 8, and 1. Point on 2, 3, 4. Okay, what's next? Yeah, 3, 4, go side. 5, 6, 7, cross on 8. Okay? 2 8s. Let's start from the top. 5, 6, 7, and go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, shoulder 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Continue. From here, you're gonna go 1, 2. Then in 3 and 4. Punch on 5, 6, turn around 7 and 8. Okay? So when you turn, make sure you plie a little bit. So when you wobble, you can adjust. Okay? One more time. Copy? Okay. Let's try. What's the last step? 6, 7. From here. 6, 7, cross 7 and 8. Go 1, 2, in 3 and 4, punch on 5, 6, turn around 7 and 8. Next, cross 1, snap on 2. Copy? Then you're gonna go 3, the 4, up 5 and 6, turn around 7, 8. Close on 1, 2, 3, 4. So take time there. One more time from here. Cross 7. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cross 1, snap on 2, 3, and 4. Up 5. Turn 7, 8. Stay 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 8s. Let's start first from the beginning. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Punch 5, 6, 7, 8. Cross 1, snap 3, 4, up 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, so it goes like this. 7, 8. Stay 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 5, 6. Go 7 and 8. Side 1, 2, 3, and 4. Make sure slow. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then lift. 5, 6, a 7 and 8. Next, you're gonna go back 1, 2, 3.4, roll 5 and 6, 7, raise your left knee, and 8. And for the last 8, down first. 1, 2, 3, 4. My count is wrong. Yeah, 5, 6, 7. Okay. For the last 8, what's the last part? 7, 8, 1, 2. Okay, last 8, you're gonna cross because you're lifting your left knee. 7, 8, cross. 1, 2, 3, 4, back. 5, 6. So make sure your right shoulder, your right arm is up. Then go down on 7, 8, and pose. Okay? Let's try. Your pose, anything. You can do sexy. Let's try from the top. Here we go. From the beginning, all of it. So 5, 6, 7, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, cross. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, turn around. 7, 8, cross. 1, snap. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here we go. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 7, 8. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Always forget. 5, 6, 7. Down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Cross. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and pose. Yes! Good job!
It's 2 o'clock and I'm faded. This kush feeling amazing. Got a voicemail on my phone from a little breezy, feeling X-rated. She told a nigga she hurting. I'm in the car and I'm swerving. I walked into her bedroom. I put it down, that's certain. Man, I stay on that to ride. Man, I stay taking shots. Man, you got me on my job. Maybe cause I'm everything you're not. See, I ain't no bitch nigga, no bitch nigga, no snitch nigga. I'm a real nigga, that's real nigga. I'm just trying to chill cause I'm